What is up, guys? Today we're going to be taking the TUTTIO out in the rain. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's get into it. What is up, guys? I'm riding the TUTTIO in the rain and it's getting kind of dark outside, so we're just gonna see how it goes. I don't know. Let's see if the TUTTIO can handle the rain. And in advance, I'm sorry if the water gets on the camera. I'm sorry, guys. Please. I'll try my best to keep the water off. But we're just gonna keep riding around right now. The streets are pretty empty. I've taken the TUTTIO out in the rain one time. It handled it pretty good, honestly. There weren't really any problems. Like, the TUTTIO is pretty good. It can handle the rain. It can definitely handle the rain and some other crazy weather problems. And Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. And if you got a bike, that's awesome. I hope you guys are enjoying your bike, whatever bike it is. You know, if you got a TUTTIO, a Ridstar, a Suron maybe. I don't know. I hope you guys are enjoying it. On the camera so you guys can get some good footage. Oh, my legs are so cold. Check both ways. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, it's actually cold. Oh my days. I need to get gloves, like, as soon as possible. Oh my. We're gonna go up here. Haven't been up here in a long time. I cannot explain how actually cold it is. Oh my. It's not even this cold like most of the time. You know? I don't know why it's so cold right now. I just ordered some parts for the bike, so the bike should be getting some upgrades, some parts. I ordered a front fender, a rear fender, not a fender, a rear fender. Let me think. I got the Bluetooth dongle. I'll tell you guys why I got that in a minute. But I got those, and I got a Starkbark sticker. You know guys, the Starkbark sticker. So I can put it over the TUTTIO logo. Oh my days. I don't know if you guys can see this. Like, this view is so good. I can see. The view is just so good from up here. Oh my. I said it in one of my other videos too. But it actually is, like, if you guys are over here, you'll be amazed. And this is just like such a vibe, like riding in the night. Oh my days. Oh. Like, I just love riding at night around here also. It's just like the vibe, you know? The vibes are crazy out here. What else did I order? I got a ODI plate sticker. Maybe that's all. Maybe. I think that is all. Oh, I'm gonna the Pro Taper bar pad, the black Pro Taper bar pad right here. And I think that's it, honestly. Yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, those are gonna come soon. I'll make a video on those, you know, reviewing them and showing them to you guys. They'll probably be in the next video, hopefully, if they get here. Good thing I brought goggles, because there's so much water getting into all my goggles. I can't do it. Like, just imagine if I didn't have goggles, I would not be able to ride. That would actually be so bad. Yeah, I need to get a front fender so when I ride in the rain. It's been raining. It's supposed to rain like a couple times. In the next days. And it's also been raining in like a couple days. So a front fender will definitely help out, so I don't get all this water on me. But yeah, I'm curious what you guys got for Christmas, honestly. Like, let me know. Like, drop it in the comments below, because I'm curious. Oh. Goggles are getting foggy. No, maybe you guys could give me goggles for Christmas. Please. Please give me goggles. I need them. Please, like, just change. Let's go. I think we're just gonna go straight right here. Yeah. And right now I'm saving up for a store that I'm supposed to being able to get it. And that's why I'm getting a Bluetooth dongle. So when I get it, I could on it to go into my bike. This will make my bike way faster and have way better range. So I'm working on that right now. So that'll probably come soon in a future video. Well, I'm doing this for you guys, you know? I'm writing this for you guys, so you can have some awesome videos to watch. But I've been actually thinking of something. Why don't people live stream? Like, oh, this is jumping. Well, why don't people live stream them riding e-bikes? Like, you know, like Toronto could like do like a live stream. Another jump. I've been thinking about that lately. I don't know, it's just like, it's like pretty funny. Like, you just like do a live stream like on Twitch or something, or like on YouTube, and like it's just of you riding. That'd be like cool. I would love to do it. I'll be the first one to do it. Or maybe if there's other people that already do that. It probably is, honestly. Yeah, I'm also deciding if I should get the Volt Meter kit from Econic Cycles. And I looked at it, and it's usually like out of stock. Last time I looked at it, it was out of stock, but it's in stock right now. But I don't know. I don't know if that's worth getting. Maybe in the future I'll get it. But not right now, not. Probably not. The water's not that bad on the camera. I don't know if it is getting on the camera, but hopefully it's not that bad. That would really suck for you guys and for me. Here, let me just like wipe it off right now. I don't know if you guys. Let me see. Yeah, I hope you guys can see also. Hopefully you guys can see. I don't know if it's too dark. Hopefully it is too dark. Then I'll just be like some minutes of me just riding in the dark but you guys can't see. Like that's just go here. Oh my days, it is raining. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see the water coming up from the tire. Oh! The rain is getting actually bad. I think I'm gonna end this video right here. And this might be a short video, I don't know. I see after I edit it, but but the rain is actually getting so bad. I don't know if I can do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Peace out.